Alright, so today is a review on how to work and update your portfolio. So first thing you want to do is go to sites.google.com, probably new, and you should see your recent sites, which you have probably not as many as me, but when we click on it, and then we're going to go edit. Alright, so we're adding our animation projects. So we had our nice layout for video production. So you should have your project, the title. Should be adding some skills to there to describe what type of tools we use to create those. All right. As we can see, we had a lot in the first part of the year, and actually these are some ones from last year too. So if you don't already have another page created for this, you want to go to your Pages tab, and at the bottom you just press plus. You would name the page. So actually, let's just do this for now. I'm going to do my test just not to confuse myself. And then that does get added to your navigation bar. So if we move this around, it will then change the order of it up here. I'm going to delete this because I already have an animation page. All right, once you do that, you're on your page. Then we're just going to come back here, and typically I think for this we're going to have our character scenes and our walk sequence and also our rigged scene. So a couple ways you can do that. Go to your YouTube channel and your videos. Hopefully I have some stuff here. So here's my rigged scene. So I can just say get shareable link, and then back here I can now insert YouTube. Do Control V to paste, search for it, and voila, it's there. So then we would definitely, or it would be nice to have a text box there. So I would just probably do that, and that's up here. Kind of try to get a nice layout. Let's see if I can move this up here. Alright, so for something like this, then if we want to, since that layout doesn't allow for that, you can just drag this one down into there and use that, and then we can resize that. So this would be our rigged scene. Used Adobe Animate to create a posable character. Alright. Tools used, we could say the bone tool was a big one, right? Symbols, and I'll go back and look at my vocab or the project objectives to check that out. So that would just Alright, so I'm going to find that, and I was trying to speed up the video here, but I have a new version and I am missing the button there. So what am I looking for? Projects. Rigged. Actually, I should probably just go to the community. No, actually I do want to go to project. That's why, because I wanted to look at the requirements. So let's see what else. Oh, we had an animated camera, animated shape, and animated credits we'll put in there. I think that's good. So I'll say, even though this isn't really a tool, and maybe we'll just describe this. I think I've done this before. Tools and skills used. Alright, and what's nice, you can do some formatting. So bold, underline. Alright, and that would be that project. So then you can kind of just continue on, and we can then add another YouTube video. Let's see if I have my walk sequence in here. Rigging. Character, background. Alright, walk, place, final. Alright, so we could do our character scene and our walk sequence and as one. So if you want to be, I don't want to say lazy, but maybe just have everything included into one, since we did combine them, that we would do that. And then, just continue with the descriptions based off of that. And I like to stagger so my videos aren't all underneath of each other sometimes, just to get a little variety of my design. So maybe we'd have something like this. Get over there. Okay, and then this would be our character scene walk sequence. Alright, and we should be able to write a bunch of stuff underneath there. But that is the process. You can continue with that. And when you're done, you definitely want to publish it. They show you the differences here. Actually, though, you'd have to look through and go to the pages, but just publish it. You know you made all your changes. And then, lastly, we want to view the published site, because that address is going to be a lot different than this one, the editable one. So anytime we would want our public to view it, we would copy that and paste that for them to be viewing. All right, good luck.